Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Geeta's Learning Classes. And my channel is about English speaking. I teach how to speak English through my own experiences. So this time I have tried to shoot a short vlog. If you like it, please let me know in the comments. I am planning to create a separate playlist for vlogs on this channel. So whenever I shoot a vlog, I'll definitely share it with you. This was my third visit to Barbecue Nation. I shot a few clips that I would love to share with you. We went there with family and had a great time. So we kicked things off with the starters. So first came the water balls. We call it in Hindi Pani Puri. And the taste was amazing. Followed by roasted sweet corns, cheesy balls, two kinds of chaat, French fries, grilled paneer, and kebabs, and many more. Everything was absolutely delicious. I saw a fork there that I didn't recognize. I'm not sure what type of fork it is. If you know its name, please do let me know in the comment. Here's the lightning was quite good and I tried to show it, but because of light, the design was not clearly visible. It looked something like butterflies. We usually get full just with the starters, and we are hardly able to eat anything else. As you can see, my plate is still full. Now the main course. We are already quite full, but of course we'll eat a little more. Let me show you what all is there in the main course. Once you pay at the counter outside, you can eat as much as you like inside. But honestly, how much can one really eat? So there is so many things in the main course. There is veg and non-veg separately, and we are vegetarian, so we eat only veg. So after main course, it was time for dessert. Just look at everything looks sweet. Ended our meal with pastries, chocolate balls, jelly, kheer, halwa, rasgulla, ice cream, and cold drink. So it was my birthday that day. At the end, we cut a small cake with the family. So here's we are enjoying the ice cream. So it was wonderful day. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.